Apex Toys Shenzhen Corporation Limited was set up in 2002. UAV intelligent toy manufacturer focusing on research and manufacturer, modeling, mold design, and the software and hardware development, owning the strong production capacity in supplying shipments globally. Silver Mini, flexible, lovely. 30mm, the smallest micro poster in this industry. Smile along with life every minute. $720 HD, outstanding, 60mm, loaded with charming eyes, small and beautiful just for rigorous you. Small Falcon, all-powerful, 5.8G real-time image transmission, HD 1080p remote control, 2 Wi-Fi versions designed for enthusiasts. Meet different horizon. In 2015, Apex wholly owned company Shenzhen Guzhong Intelligent Technology Corporation Limited, 28 people in research and development team, after a year, research and development independently on unmanned aerial vehicle UAE. The comprehensive performance and stability also embodies the strength of the enterprise. Apex Toys has a rapid development, obtains ISO 9001 GSV certification and ICTI certification, complies with all international standards. Our own patent products are sold all over the world. Spin Master, Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco, True, Propel, Ross, etc. all are selling our products, as we have our own factory. Working directly with R&D department and production department can provide customers with more efficient service and more competitive price. Also shorten the development lead time for new products and quicken to solve all kinds of issues. We are located in the beautiful scenery and pleasant climate, Zuisheng Street, Shenzhen City. Innovation, passion, security, happiness is the best gift we bring to customers. Apex UAE Intelligent Toy Manufacturer. The world is changing, and Apex always